Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make a refreshing watermelon and pineapple salad, perfect for hot summer days. We'll need a seedless watermelon, fresh ripe pineapple, jalapeno or any green chili pepper for a little heat, lemon juice, honey, and olive oil for the dressing, and feta cheese. Leave the cheese out if you can't eat dairy. First, cut up the watermelon. I'm using half of this big watermelon. Even though this is a seedless watermelon, there's still going to be a few seeds, so get rid of as many as you can. It'll take way too long to get rid of every seed, so don't go nuts. Cut into 1-inch chunks. Put the watermelon in a large serving bowl. The pineapple is next. Cut into 1-inch chunks. For the simple dressing, zest the lemon. And put it into a measuring cup. Squeeze the lemon. Add honey. A little salt. Cut up a jalapeno, remove the seeds and ribs so the salad won't be too spicy. Of course, you can leave them in if you would like a spicy and sweet salad. Cut the jalapeno finely and add to the cup. Whisk it well, taste, and add more honey or salt if you need to. Add the pineapple to the watermelon, pour the dressing over, and mix well. Refrigerate this for a few hours until you're ready to serve. Then add cubed feta cheese. For herbs, I like to use fresh mint. Mint is like a weed. Plant it in a pot, not in the ground, because it'll spread and take over. It's very easy to grow like most herbs. Basil would also be good in this salad. Tear up the fresh mint leaves and add to the bowl. Give it a final mix and the salad is ready. A nice, cold, tangy, and sweet salad with a little bit of heat. There was a lot of salad, so I gave a bowl to my neighbor. This is what it's going to look like after the pineapple and watermelon have absorbed the dressing. I had already mixed the feta in and refrigerated the leftovers. The salad will be fine in the fridge for a day, maximum 2 days. After that, it'll get too soggy. So this salad is best eaten right away. Share the rest with your friends and neighbors. I hope you make the salad and let me know how you like it. Click on that bell icon to get notifications when I upload a new video. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.